what is good about affiliate program? That is what you saw on the title of this video. So I'm going to talk about what is good about affiliate program. What is good about affiliate program? First of all, let me introduce you affiliate program and what it is. What is affiliate program? Affiliate program is you going to partner with a company, and this company will give you a link. With this link, you can start sharing this link to your audience. Anyone that click on that link, buy that product, you will make money. So that is what affiliate marketing is. You can look for any type of affiliate program that you know that can work for you, and all you just need to do is to go and join the program, and when they approve you as an affiliate, you can take your affiliate link, go and share it with your audience, and anyone that click on that link, they purchase products, you are going to make money. So you know now what affiliate program is. I know you'll be wondering, but how can I start affiliate program? How can I promote it? How many followers do I need? First thing, you don't need any followers to promote affiliate program. And you can start affiliate program even if you don't have any experience, you don't have any skills, you don't have any talent, you don't even have any followers. You can start affiliate program. All you need is a strategy that works, that will help you to make money with affiliate program. That is the first thing I want you to understand. And the second thing is that affiliate program is 100% free. Like, you are not paying any money. There is no investment on affiliate program. You can start it for 100% free without you investing in any company, without you investing in any agency to promote that your program or that services. So that is what I want you to do. So the third strategy is that you can create a free website for affiliate program, particularly like you create this website. All you do is to talk about affiliate products, like you review this different kind of products. And by doing this, you are going to make money by people reading that your blog, click through your affiliate link where you say click here or check out this website. If they click on that particular link, it will take them to the main website that you are reviewing on that your website. And if they like the website or they find it useful or a website that can solve their problem, they will just do what? Click their affiliate link and buy the product. So that is what I love about affiliate program. And the fourth strategy and why affiliate program is good is that you can start affiliate program without you having any investment upfront, because all the software tools, everything you are going to use, social media, all of them are free. So you are not using any strategy at all, and you can start this without you investing any money upfront. So your investment in affiliate program is your time. So the investment that you are doing on affiliate program is your time. You need to sit down, watch videos of people talking about affiliate program so that you can get idea and knowledge of what you can apply to the kind of product that you are promoting, or the kind of software or tools or the things that you are into when it comes to affiliate program. So you need to watch other people better than you to learn more from them, get idea of what they are doing, see what is working for them, and look how you can apply that thing into your own business, into your affiliate program business, and make good amount of money. So that is what I want you to know about the fourth strategy. And the last of the list is the 5 strategy that you can use to make money with affiliate program. So this 5th way is that affiliate program is a long-time business. So I know you'll be wondering, why is affiliate program long-time business? Let us say, for example, you talk about Windows 10 on your blog, on your blogging website. You have reviewed Windows 10 on your blogging website. As long as you are still affiliate on Windows 10 affiliate program, if people click that your link that you inserted on your website, it doesn't matter the years, that they click on it. That link will still be reading. All you just need to do is to be checking the main website to see if they change the terms and conditions of their program, or they change the way the affiliate program is working. Then you can go copy your link again, go and paste it on that particular blog, and that is all you just have to do. All you need in affiliate program is just updating your link in case anything change on the affiliate program that you are promoting. That is what you can do. And one thing I love about affiliate program is that you just need to know how to do keyword research. That is investment you need to do. Know how to do keyword research, know how to write engaging articles, and know how to structure your articles. Like, you structure it the way people are looking for it from Google. So you need to look at Google, do keyword research, and do content research to see what is trending, what kind of topic, what kind of content people are looking for on that particular software or tools that you are promoting. Look through, because if you don't look through, you cannot understand how affiliate marketing work, or affiliate program work, because you can just do like other people, just copy a link or go to ChatGPT, copy your link, paste it here, paste it there, and you expect to make money at the end of the day. That is not how affiliate marketing work. Affiliate program or affiliate marketing, it need times, it need effort, and it need you to optimize your content to look SEO friendly so that you can bypass what Google is looking for. So that is it. If you do all those things, you will find yourself driving free traffic to that your website, and you will start making what revenue, which is money. So that is what affiliate marketing is, and that is why I love affiliate programming Godspower Ugiagbe. So I will end this video from here. Only what I will say is to say thank you for watching this video to the end, and again, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can get to other people, and share this video, friends. Share it and leave me a comment in the comment section below if you want to learn how you can make money with affiliate program, where I talk about step by step. You can watch this first video. But if you don't want to invest in anything when it's time, or you just want to make money by just taking surveys, you can watch the second video below. I will say thank you and see you on my next video.